What's up, guys? Today we're doing a video on Onshape. We are going to learn how to make, or you are, if you decide to do this, a Nerf dart. This is an end that really hurts when you shoot at people. For those brothers who want to destroy their older brothers or younger brothers, then this is a great way to do it. So I'm going to teach you how in this tutorial, and you can completely customize the tip. If you want to, you can literally make it have a point on the end. So it really does damage. I can't make this thing unselect. How do you do that? Unselect, you dumb thing. Okay, we're just gonna leave it. Okay, so first what we're gonna do, make a sketch. Top plane. Oh, you press S to get that little pop-up menu there. So top plane, end of view normal, and then P to turn off all the planes because we don't need them right now. We're gonna do our first sketch. Very simple. Make a circle there. Try to keep this a quick tutorial. Now make this dimension of 12. It's very small, so let's move in. And this should fit most standard Nerf darts. It doesn't fit like the mega ones that have like an inch big darts. This fits the normal size. So, and check that. And next step, we're going to create a plane and offset it from this. That is the wrong way. We're going to set it to 7. This cord is getting in my way. Okay, there we go. Set it to 7. Now we're going to, on this plane, we're going to draw. We can make another sketch. View normal. And we're going to make another circle. And make this one with a dimension of 10. So you can see there's a little bit of a difference there. This makes it kind of curve inwards. Okay, there we go. And we can hide this plane because we do not need it. We will create a loft between these two. And this is pretty straight and funky, so what we need to do is make this one normal to profile. It makes it a little better. And then this one tangent to profile. And that is how you don't do it. There we go. Got it mixed up. Just flip them around. I failed miserably. Okay, just flip them around. You didn't see that, okay? Okay, we're going to check this because this is good. Now we're going to do our final sketch. I believed. No. Second to last sketch. This is a pretty quick model here. We are going to sketch on, move this box down here, the right front, the right front plane. No, the front plane. Why is it flipped over? Flip. Okay, this model is upside down. That's too bad. Whatever. Okay. And we're going to get our line tool, find the middle, make it right up from the origin, move it up about like that, and escape the line. And next we're going to grab the use tool and use this line right here and zoom in here, make this coincident with this. Beautiful. We're going to add another line. And we're going to grab our arc, 3-point arc, and make a nice little thing right here. So I'm just going to do like about like that. It doesn't really matter. We'll add dimensions now. This is going to be 4. This is already 5. Okay, this line's already 5. We don't need to mention that. We will dimension this to be 5.125. Beautiful. Okay, and save that. And guess what we're going to do? Revolve. But you can guess. No, you could. It's easy. Anyways, revolve around this axis. Pretty simple. Leave it like that. No, we don't want that as a new. Okay, we're just gonna undo that and redo that. I don't know why it turned it to new. We're doing add. Here we go. Boom. Where is it? What is your problem, Revolve? Fine, we'll make it a new, and then we'll cheat Boolean. Use union and do pot 1 and pot 2. Boom, we cheated. Okay. Final sketch on this plane here. We're going to draw a circle. Oh, beautiful. Perfectly centered right there. Okay, and dimension of 7.5. And so this right here, I actually tested this out. I did 6 for my previous one. I used Nerf. It went all right. Like it fit like perfectly, but too perfect. So when I put it in the Nerf dart, it was able to easily slide right out. So I had to glue it on. That was kind of dumb. So I changed it to 7.5, so it should fit in there and shouldn't have to glue it back on. Or glue it in there to keep it. Okay, we'll check that. And the final thing to do is extrude this out. Beautiful. No, you could probably do this. Just make it go the entire length of the dart. No, that won't work because then the Nerf dart won't be able to shoot it. Okay. Never mind. Extrude 8 millimeters. Boom. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Print this thing out. Print it out in this position with this on the bottom of the printer and just add supports around the sides. It prints out pretty well, so glad you guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this. See you guys later. Goodbye.